Good evening, viewers. Welcome to a nice show. I am Akosia Mr. Asewa. You are watching me live on YouTube channel Ashtown TV and our Facebook page Ashtown TV. You can watch me this and every Tuesday from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Today we are going to discuss a lovely topic. In this world we have two human species, that is man and a woman. Among these species, women are said to be the most attractive one based on our habits. But today we are going to discuss some habits that makes women unattractive to men. Sit down with me as I take you through the habit that makes women unattractive to their men. Number 1, poor personal hygiene. Poor personal hygiene is never good. You have to be clean inside and outside. You have to keep yourself neat for your man. Number 2, woman with too much makeup. It's good that you make up, but not always. Always making up makes you feel weird when you don't wear makeup. So you have to be who you are for your man to find you attractive. Number 3, overconfidence is a bit unattractive. It's good to be confident, but being overconfident drives men away. Number 4, woman talking about ex. You don't have to talk about your ex all the time. You don't even have to talk about him at all. What is he doing in your new relationship? You have moved on, so put the past behind you and concentrate on what you have now. Number 5, being too much needy. You don't have to be too much dependent on your man. No. You have to be dependent. You have to be able to get things for yourself. I know men are there for us to depend on them, but no, you should not necessarily put too much pressure on him. It will drive him away. Number 6, excessive giggling and hitting. Why should a woman laugh and be hitting your man? It's unattractive. Number 7, woman who feels she knows everything. Don't let your pride get in your way. You cannot know everything. It's overconfidence, and it's way big too unattractive for men. Number 8, unable to lead the conversation. This is total mood off. It drives men off when their ladies are not able to lead a simple conversation. It makes you unattractive, my dear. Number 9, having annoying traits. Having traits like biting your nails, chuckling, sucking your mouth, etc. makes you unattractive. Be a lady. Don't drive your man away. Woman who think it's always right. You cannot be always right, my dear. Accept your mistakes. Don't let your ego lead you. It will destroy your relationship. Woman who always makes excuses to avoid getting physical. This is what men hate the most. Women who makes excuses to avoid love-making session. It makes you unattractive. Don't drive your man away. Number 12, woman who talks too much. You should not talk too much. It bores men. It drives them away. So stop it. So, these are the traits or the behavior or habits that turns our men away. Let's try to avoid these things so in order to keep our relationship intact. Thank you. I am Akosia Mr. Asewa. I am live on Ashtown TV, our Facebook page, and YouTube channel Ashtown TV. You can watch me this and every Tuesday from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Subscribe to our page for more videos. Thank you.